So according to the definition of a function, the first element should not be used more than one time. When x is equal to 2, f of x is equal to 3. Different elements of A will have the different images and all the elements are used only one time. So what is required to find is B. B is equal to 1 minus A. 1 minus A is minus 2. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of basic mathematics class. I am Mr. Niranjan, faculty, Department of Mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. Today in this session, I am going to take the problems on the last concept that is called the functions. Now in the previous class, we have discussed regarding a function and the different types of function. Based on that, let us discuss few problems. Now let us come to one more question. So what are these questions? A function f of x is defined as f of x is equal to 2x plus 1. Find the values of f of 1, f of 2, f of minus 1, f of minus 3. Now first one is f of 1. F of 1, just what is given? F of x is equal to 2x plus 1. Now put x is equal to 1, you will get f of 1. So f of 1 is equal to 2 into 1 plus 1. 2 ones are 2 plus 1 is 3. So f of 1 is equal to 3. This is the first answer. Now similarly come to the second one, f of 2. F of 2. Put x is equal to 2. Put x is equal to 2. 2 into 2 plus 1, that is 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So f of 2 is equal to 5. That's it. Now let us come to the third one. What is third one? F of minus 1. So put x is equal to minus 1. 2 into minus 1 plus 1, that is minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So therefore f of minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Now come to the fourth one. What is the fourth one? F of minus 2. Put x is equal to minus 2. That's it. 2 into x is minus 2 plus 1. This is minus 4 plus 1 is equal to minus 3. So f of minus 2 is minus 3. And the last one is f of minus 3. Now fifth one, function of minus 3. So put x is equal to minus 3. 2 into minus 3 plus 1. This is minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5. So therefore f of minus 3 is equal to minus 5. That's it. So this is how we are going to find. Each carries one more simple problem. Just replace x by 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, and minus 3. You will get the respective value of that function. That's it. Okay. Now let us come to the next problem. So examine which of the following relations are functions or not. These are all from exercise problem. Which of the following relation is a function? This whether we have to check whether it is a function or not. So according to the definition of a function, the first element should not be used more than one time. See here, 1 is associated with 3, 1 is associated with 5, again 1 is associated with 5. Therefore, straight away we can say that f is not a function. F is not a function because the element 1 of the set A is used more than one time. See, if you represent this in a diagram, suppose if the elements of the set are 1, 2, this is 3, 5, 8. Here the mapping is given like this: 1 to 3, again 1 to 5, again 1 to 8, again 2 to 5. So the element 1 is used 3 times. Therefore this is not a function. F from A to B. Therefore f from A to B is not a function. The relation is not a function. This is not a function. That's it. Okay. Now come to the next problem. See here, different elements have different images. So we can say that this is a function. See, 1 comma A, 2 comma B and 3 comma C. Therefore f is a function. Let us represent this in a diagram. This is A and B. F. A contains 1, 2, 3. B contains A, B and C. What is the mapping? 1 to A, again 2 to B, 3 to C. 1 to 1 mapping is there. So therefore f from A to B is a function. F from A to B. F from A to B is a function. F from a to b is a function here it is, because different elements of a will have the different images and all the elements are used only one time. So this is a function. Okay, now let us take next example. Check this 2, 1, 3, 2 and 4, 1. The first elements are used only one time here. So different elements have different images. See here, this is 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2. So what is the mapping? 2 to 1, again 3 to 2, again 4 to 1. So therefore f from a to b is again a function, here it is. This is also a function. So this is also an example for a function. Okay, these are all few examples for 1 mark questions. Now let us come to the next. Let n be the set of natural numbers such that f of x comma y is such that a relation is given r is equal to x comma y such that y is equal to 2 for all y belongs to n. Let us take an example to find the domain and range of the function. Now let us take an example to find the domain and range of the function. Consider on the set of natural numbers a relation r is given by multiples of 2 or multiples of 3 or multiples of 4. Now let us consider a relation r is equal to x comma y such that y is equal to 2x for all y belongs to n. So we have to find the domain and range for this function. Now here the elements of r we are going to get is, what is given here? Y is equal to 2x, that means x comma 2x. Just the elements of the set or the natural numbers. If you take n is equal to 1, 1 into 2 is 2. If you take n is equal to 2, 2 into 2 is 4. N is equal to 3, 3 into 2 is 6. Again 4, 2 into 4 is 8, like that. So therefore, what are the elements? Therefore, the domain of A, the domain of the function f is equal to set of all first elements, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. This is the domain. Whereas the range of the function is, range of f is equal to set of all second elements 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. This is called the range. The domain is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the range is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 are called the range if it is a multiple of y is equal to 2 times x. Suppose if it is 2 times 3 times x, 3 times 4 times, so depending upon the statement we have to write the relation. That's it. Now let us come to the next problem. Find the range of the function. What is the function given? F of x is equal to x square plus 2x plus 1 where x is greater than 0. Now just what is to find? Find the range. Range is nothing but what is given here? F of x is equal to x square plus 2x plus 1 and x is greater than 0. You can put x is equal to 1, 2, 3 like this. So if you put x is equal to 1, f of 1 is equal to 1 square plus 2 into 1 plus 1. So that's equal to 4. If you put x is equal to 2, f of 2 is equal to 2 square plus 2 into 2 plus 1. So 2 square is 4 plus 4 plus 1, that's equal to 9. Put x is equal to 3, f of 3 is equal to 3 square plus 2 into 3 plus 1. 3 square is 9 plus 2 into 3 is 6 plus 1, that's equal to 16. Similarly, if you put x is equal to 4, f of 4 is 4 square plus 2 into 4 plus 1. So that is equal to 4 square is 16 plus 4 2s are 8 plus 1. So 16 plus 9 is equal to 25. So therefore the range is nothing but the set of all second elements, that is 4, 9, 16 and 25 etc. This is called the range. That's it. Okay. Now let us come to the next problem. Find the range of the function. What is the function given? 3x plus 5 where x is greater than 0. Same type. Here just take x is greater than 0 means you can take x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 etc. So f of 1, what is given? F of x is equal to 3x plus 5, 3 into 1 plus 5, that's equal to 8. When x is equal to 2, f of 2 is equal to 3 into 2 plus 5, that is 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. when x is equal to 3, f of 3 is equal to 3 into 3 plus 5. That is 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. If you put x is equal to 4, f of 4 is 3 into 4 plus 5. That's equal to 12 plus 5. 12 plus 5 is equal to 17. So therefore, the range of the function is range of the given function, range of f is equal to, what are the elements? 8, 11, 14, 17, etc. That's it. So the range is equal to 8, 11, 14, 17, etc. is the range for this. That's it. Very simple for 2 marks. Okay. Now, let us come to the next problem. If f of x is equal to x cube, find the value of f of 3 minus f of 2 divided by 3 minus 2. Very simple problem. This is also an important. So, what is given? F of x is equal to x cube. Just find out the value of f of 2. F of 2 is 2 cube. 2 cube is 2 to the 4 to the 8. Again, find out f of 3. 3 cube. 3 cube. 3 3 is 9. 9 3 is 27. So, what is required to find is f of 3 minus f of 2 divided by 3 minus 2. Now, given equation, f of 3 is 27 minus f of 2 is 8 divided by 3 minus 2 is 1. So, your 27 minus 8 is 19 divided by 1 is equal to 19. The required answer is 19. That's it. Okay. What is given? F of x is equal to x cube. 2 cube is 8. 3 cube is 27. 27 minus 8 is 19 divided by 1 is 19 is the required answer. Now, let us come to the next problem. This is very important. Find the domain and range of the function x square minus 2x plus 1 divided by x square minus 9x plus 3, 13 for all x belongs to n. So, I have to find the range and domain for this function. What is the problem given? Let us consider this as f of x. F of x is equal to x square minus 2x plus 1 divided by, in the denominator, x square minus 9x plus 13. Let us take x is equal to 1. F of 1 is equal to 1 minus 2 plus 1 divided by, in the denominator, 1 square is 1 minus 9 plus 13. So, what is this equal to? 1 plus 1 is 2, 0 divided by 13 plus 1 is 14 minus 9. 14 minus 9 is 5, 0 by 5 is 0 itself. Okay. Now, take when x is equal to 2, f of 2. Put x is equal to 2 here, 2 square minus 2 into 2 plus 1 divided by, in the denominator, 2 square minus 9 into 2 plus 13. What is this equal to? 2 square is 4 minus 2 into 2 is 4 divided by 2 square is 4 minus 9 2s are 18 plus 13 it is. So, minus 4 plus 4 gets cancelled, 1 divided by 13 plus 4 is 17. 17 minus 18, this is 1 by minus 1 is minus 1 it is. Okay. Now, put x is equal to 3. If you put x is equal to 3, what we will get? F of 3 is equal to 3 square is 9 minus 2 into 3 is 6 plus 1 divided by 3 square is 9 minus 9 3 is 27 plus 13. So, 9 plus 1 is 10 minus 6 divided by 9 plus 13 is 22. 22 minus 27. So, this is 4 divided by 22 minus 27 is minus 5. So, this is 4 by minus 5. Okay. Now, therefore, the domain of this function, domain is equal to domain of R. The domain of the function is 0, 1, 2. Yes, 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3, etc. Okay. And the range is equal to, what are the elements? 0, minus 1 and minus 4 by 5, etc. That's it. These are the domain and range. So, domain is equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. And the range is equal to, what are the elements of the range? 0, minus 1, minus 4 by 5, etc. These are the domain and range for this function, x square minus 2x plus 1 by x square minus 9x plus 13. That's it. Okay. Now, let us come to the next problem. Let f of x is given. What is f of x? F of x is ax plus b for all some integers. Now, the function f of 1 comma 1, f of 2 comma 2, f of 0 comma minus 3. Here, So when x is equal to 1, f of x, what happens? This f of 1 comma 1 is given. So substitute the value of x as 1 and y as 1. Here this is ax plus b. So here when x is equal to 1, f of x is equal to 1. When x is equal to 1, f of x is 1. So f of x is 1 is equal to a into 1 plus b. So therefore a plus b is equal to 1. Let us represent this as equation number 1. Second condition, what is given? 2 comma 0. F of 2 comma 3 implies when x is equal to 2, f of x is equal to 3. So substitute here, that is 3 is equal to a into 2 plus b, that is 2a plus b is equal to 3. Let us represent this as equation number 2. That's it. See here. So when x is 1, f of x is 1. When x is 2, f of x is 3. Substitute here. 1 is equal to a into 1 plus b is a plus b is 1. Again 3 is equal to a into 2 plus b is 2a plus b. Now solving these two, if you solve 1 and 2, solving the equations 1 and 2. What are the equations? Equation number 1 is a plus b is equal to 1. Equation number 2 is 2a plus b is equal to 3. Now subtract these two. If you subtract, minus b plus b gets cancelled. A minus 2a is minus a. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Minus and minus gets cancelled. A is equal to 2. The value of a is 2. So therefore a is equal to 2 from any one of these two equations. Let us take 1. From 1, a plus b is equal to 1. What is b? B is equal to 1 minus a. 1 minus a is 2. So b is equal to minus 1. So therefore the values of a and b are a is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 1. So these are the values of 2 and minus 1. So solving equations 1 and 2, a plus b is 1, 2a plus b is 3. If you subtract, minus b plus b gets cancelled. A minus 2 is minus a is equal to 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Minus and minus gets cancelled. A is equal to 2. Take any one of these two equations. From 1, a plus b is equal to 1. So what is required to find is b. B is equal to 1 minus a. 1 minus a is minus 2. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So therefore a is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 1 for this given function. That's it. Hope you followed. Very simple problem. Now let us come to the next problem. If f of x is equal to x and g of x is equal to x cube plus 1, find fog of 1 and gop of 1. This is very important type problem indeed. So let us take, this is very important. First f naught g of 1 and g naught f of 1. Now first one, let me explain how to find fog and gop of a function. So f of x is given. What is f of x? F of x is x and g of x is equal to x cube plus 1. First, to find f naught g of x, let me find f naught g of x is equal to f naught g of x is f of g of x. F of g of x, f of g of x, this is equal to f of g of x is x cube plus 1. Now let us consider this as f of k, where k is equal to x cube plus 1. Since we know what is f of x is equal to x, f of k can be written as k. So f of k is k. What is k? K is nothing but x cube plus 1. That's it. See here, since what is f of g of x? G of x is x cube plus 1. Let us represent this as k. Okay. Then what happens? F of x is x means f of k is k. So f of k is k. Substitute the value of k. K is equal to x cube plus 1. This is how we are generally finding the value of f of x. Now if you put x is equal to 1. So if you put x is equal to 1, since f naught g of x is equal to, what is the answer we are getting? X cube plus 1. Put x is equal to 1. Then this becomes f naught g of 1 is equal to 1 cube plus 1 is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So the required answer is 2. Okay. Now similarly, come to this f naught g of 2. So same answer, substitute here. So do like this, or straight away there is another method for this. F naught g of 2 can also be written as f of g of 2. Just this is f of, find out the value of g of 2. What is g of x? G of x is x cube plus 1. Find out the value of g of 2. G of 2 is 2 cube plus 1. 2 cube is 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 plus 1, 8 plus 1 is 9. So then this becomes f of 9. Since what is f of x? F of x is equal to, f of x is x itself, f of 9 is 9. The required answer is 9. This is the shortcut method to solve this. So any method you can follow to solve this problem. Okay, that's it. Now come to the next. For the same problem, find out g naught f of 1 and g naught f of minus 1. Now g naught f of 1 is nothing but g of f of 1. So this is equal to g of, what is f of x? F of x is equal to x. F of 1, if you replace x by 1, you will get g of 1. Since what is g of x? G of x is equal to x cube plus 1. G of 1 can be written as 1 cube plus 1 is 1 plus 1 is 2. So g of 1 is equal to 2. That's all. The required answer is 2. Okay. Now second one, g naught f of minus 1. Third, last one, g naught f of minus 1 can be written as g of f of minus 1. This is g of, what is f of x? F of x is x. F of minus 1 can be written as minus 1. G of minus 1. Since what is g of x? G of x is x cube plus 1. G of minus 1 is minus 1 whole cube plus 1. Minus 1 whole cube is minus 1. Minus into minus into minus. Plus into minus minus. Minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. So the answer is 0. That's it. This is how we are going to find g naught f of x and f naught g of x for a particular value. That's it. Okay. Hope you followed. Now let us come to the next problem. These are all problems, exercise problems. So if f of x is equal to 2x plus 1 and g of x is equal to x square plus 2x plus 1, find f naught fog of 2 and gof of 3. Same type concept. Now let us come to the first one, f naught g of x. F naught g of x is f of g of x. This is f of g of x. Just put x is equal to 2. 2 square is 4 plus 2 into 2 is 4 plus 1. That is f of 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1 is 9. F of 9. Since what is f of x? F of x is 2x plus 3. Substitute x is equal to 9. 2 into 9 plus 1. That is 9 to the 18 plus 1 is equal to 19. The first answer is 19. That's it. See, g of 2. G f as it is. Put x is equal to 2 here. 2 square plus 2 into 2. 4 plus 4 plus 1. F of 9. Put x is equal to 9 here. 2 into 9 plus 1 is 19. That's it. Okay. Now come to the second one. G naught f of 3. This is g of f of 3. G of function of 3. F of 3. Put x is equal to 3 here. 2 into 3 plus 1. That is g of 2 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. G of 7. Put x is equal to 7 here. That's it. So that is 7 square plus 2 into 7 plus 1. 7 square is 49 plus 7 2s of 14 plus 1. 49 plus 1 is 50. 50 plus 14 is 64. So the required answer is 64. That's it. Okay. So the first answer is 19. First answer is 19 and the second answer is 64. That's it. These are the required answer for this problem. Now let us come to the next problem. So these are all the problems of exercise 2.5. Exercise 2.5, the last problem. If f of x is equal to x square and g of x is equal to x plus 1, find f naught g of x and g naught f of x. So now f naught g of x can be written as f of g of x. F of, what is g of x? G of x is x plus 1. So this is equal to, since f of x, what is f of x? F of x is equal to x square, means f of x plus 1 can be written as x plus 1 whole square. So f naught g of x is x plus 1 whole square. That's it. Okay. Now the second one is g naught f of x. So g of f of x, that's equal to g of, what is f of x? F of x is x square. Since we know what is g of x, g of x is equal to x plus 1. G of x square can be written as, g of x square can be written as, just replace x by x square. So x square plus 1. That's it. So g naught f of x is equal to x square plus 1. If it is required to find f naught g of 2, same, after simplifying it, just substitute the value of x is equal to 2. 2 plus 1 whole square 3 square is equal to 9. Similarly here, G naught f of 2. So after simplifying this, just substitute the value of 2 square plus 1, that's equal to 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. This is how we are going to solve the problem. Okay. So these are few problems on the composition of the functions. These type of problems are very important for the point of examination. Hope you followed all the problems. That's all regarding this session. Let us meet with the different concept in the next class. Thank you very much.